Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagarcoil. News for the month of December 2024. The 4th of December 2024. The Science of Happiness at Work. An orientation on the science of happiness at work organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell of our college marked the beginning of the event semester. In separate sessions for the teaching and non-teaching staff of the college, the resource person, Reverend Father Dr. Matthew, Assistant Professor of Anugraha Arts and Science College, Dindigul, oriented the participants on the need to become conscious of activating events, ways of disrupting irrational beliefs, and opened windows to an understanding of effective conflict management strategies to build, nurture, and sustain a positive workplace culture. On the same day, Dr. Sisi Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, inaugurated the Indian Navy Day observance, and Dr. V. Anthony Prakash Babila, the Dean of Extension Program, was the chief guest of the celebration. During the occasion, Mr. Rahul, the permanent trainer of the 3rd TN Naval Unit of NCC, Thuthukudi, felicitated and distributed the combined annual camp certificate to the cadets. A special documentary showcasing the strength and the power of Indian Navy through innovation and indigenization in securing seas and offering seamless protection along the shore was streamed, and a competitive quizzing on the Indian Navy was organized for the students as part of the Navy Day celebration. The 6th of December 2024. Effective pitching and presentation skills for hackathon projects. In a workshop organized by the Entrepreneurship Development and Innovation Institute EDII unit of our college, Mr. R. Rajesh, the district coordinator EDII of Tamil Nadu, trained the aspiring student entrepreneurs on ways of pitching their ideas, outlined the skills required to make appealing presentations for hackathon projects, and briefly introduced the students to the process of applying for Innovation Voucher Scheme. The 10th of December 2024. Human Rights Pledge. The Department of Chemistry initiated classroom-level pledge and organized informative sessions on the World Human Rights Day, through which the teachers and students of our college reasserted their conviction to protect and safeguard human rights. The 11th of December 2024. Commemoration of International Mountain Day. The Chemistry Club of the Department of Chemistry organized an intra-departmental video making contest to commemorate International Mountain Day. The contest focused on creating awareness in young people on mountain conservation. The 12th of December 2024. Campus Recruitment Drive. The Placement and Career Guidance Cell of a college organized a campus recruitment drive with Talent Turbo as the participating organization. 42 final year students participated in a 3-round recruitment process involving group discussion, technical round, and face-to-face interview, of which 4 students were successfully selected. The 13th of December 2024. Nature Walk. The Department of Botany organized a nature walk to Kudirapanchan, a treasure trove of ecological reserve in the Western Ghats, to educate young minds on the fauna and flora in the biodiverse region. The 19th of December 2024. Agniveer Awareness Program. In an informative awareness program organized by the 3rd TN Naval Unit of NCC, the resource person, ACP Naib Subidar Surender, recruitment officer at the Army Recruitment Office Tiruchirappalli, created awareness on the recruitment process and opportunities in the Indian Army. On the same day, in a program on competitive exam preparation strategies organized by the Department of Botany, the resource person, Ms. Divya, a research scholar in the School of Botany at ISER Thiruvananthapuram and an instructor at Dr. Hashim Institute of Life Science Thiruvananthapuram, offered motivational and practical tips, sharing insights from her journey of clearing the national eligibility test with an impressive 27th rank at the All India level with JRF and DBT Category 1. Her talk inspired the aspirants to embrace perseverance and adopt focused tactics for success in the NET/SET exams. On the same day, in an effort to emphasize the importance of preserving nature through mindful creativity, the PG and Research Department of English organized Nature's Palette, an intra-departmental painting competition allowing participants to unleash their creativity with use of natural paints. The 21st of December 2024, Christmas Crib Making Contest. In the annual Christmas Crib Competition, hosted by the campus animation team, the Christmas story was brought to life in eco-friendly designs of cribs crafted by the participants on the theme To Journey Together. The Department of Mathematics, English Aided, and History received prizes based on creativity, craftsmanship, and overall festive spirit conveyed in the cribs. Joy of sharing. The staff and students of our college shared their Christmas joy with children from the neighborhood schools, presenting gifts that included eco-friendly water bottles, Christmas cakes, financial aid, and festive dresses, bringing smiles in the faces of the beneficiaries. The 23rd of December 2024, Christmas celebration. Christmas was celebrated with great pomp and joy at the Jubilee Hall of the college, with carolers, songs, as well as several other performances, including the Nativity play. In his Christmas message, Reverend Father John Bosco, Assistant Parish Priest of Kiramanakudi, reminded the participants that Christmas is not a mere celebration, but it is a message. It is a message of hope, love, and peace. The tender jingles of not one but many a Santa Claus melted hearts as they pulled down the curtains on the celebration. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagarkoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues in each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.